Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Roblox codes or your Roblox promo codes on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem your codes or your Roblox promo codes on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in roblox.com like this, and give a backslash and type in promo codes like this and hit enter. And after that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be first required to log into your Roblox account, enter your email over here and your password over here, as my computer has auto-filled it for me, and click on login to sign into your Roblox account. And after getting to this page directly from the redeem website we had entered, you can see the empty code box available over here. You will be required to enter your promo codes, either your digital promo codes or the promo codes you got from the gift card or anywhere. Click over here, enter your code below and click on redeem them. On the next step, you'll be required to accept the terms of use, and you'll be required to choose a platform on which platform you want to redeem your Roblox codes. And after that, after clicking on continue, the net worth amount of that gift card or the codes or the items of which you had entered the code over here, you'll be added to your Roblox account. And there guys, this is how you redeem your Roblox codes. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.